In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and optimize your marketing efforts with Shopify. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Shopify store's homepage. Make sure you're logged in, and once you're on the dashboard, you'll be able to see all your options right at your fingertips. Next, to hone in on your marketing strategies, click on the Marketing tab. This is usually located along the left-hand sidebar and serves as the gateway to all of your promotional activities and insights. Now, once you are in the marketing section, you'll find a subcategory called Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. Campaigns are critical as they allow you to organize and track your marketing efforts under one umbrella, giving you a more streamlined overview of what's working and what might need some adjustments. When you're ready to get creative, select Create Campaign. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to develop your specific marketing initiatives tailored to your audience and business needs. Here you can adjust the various settings and options to fit your campaign goals. Once your campaign is set up, take a look at the sessions data by clicking on Sessions. This gives you insights into how often people visit your store, providing a good indicator of traffic flow. Similarly, explore the Sales tab. It's crucial as it details how much revenue is being generated from these visits, offering a snapshot of your store's overall performance. Don't forget to click on Orders either. This will show the number of purchases made, key for understanding your customer's journey from browsing to buying. Alongside this, the average order value is another valuable metric. Focus on this to determine the average amount spent by customers per transaction, giving you insights into customer spending behavior. As we continue, make sure to identify and analyze the campaign name you've created. Pinpointing this will allow you to track the performance of individual campaigns, crucial for future planning and budget allocation. Next is the conversion rate breakdown. By clicking here, you gain insights into how well your campaigns are working to convert visitors into buyers. Lastly, delve into sessions by channel and sales by channel. Evaluating these will help you identify which channels are driving the most traffic and sales, empowering you to focus your efforts on those that perform best. By following these steps, you not only manage but also leverage Shopify's marketing features effectively. This walkthrough gives you a practical path to making the most of your Shopify store, enhancing your ability to grow and meet your business goals. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help elevate your e-commerce game.